Phylum Tardigrada. Our objectives. At the end of the lesson, 100% of the students should be able to attain 80% level of proficiency. 2. 1. Define phylum Tardigrada and its characteristics. 2. Identify the two classification of phylum Tardigrada. And last is to give the importance of phylum Tardigrada in our ecosystem. There are two sets of puzzle pieces here. The puzzle pieces when form will give you a picture that will give you an idea about our topic for today. I need 2 volunteers to do that. All you need to do is to fix this puzzle pieces. Okay, from the puzzle pieces you formed a picture. And from this picture, what phylum do you think is that? Okay, no one have no idea. So class, it is phylum Tardigrada. And this is our lesson for today. Class, take a look at this 2 pictures of phylum Tardigrada. From your observation, what phylum Tardigrada is look like? Yes, it's look like a bears. Phylum Tardigrada are commonly known as water bears. They are inhabitant tiny terrestrial region of soils, mosses, lichens of marine, lichens of freshwater, and lichens of semi-aquatic. Characteristics of phylum Tardigrada are bilaterally symmetrical, body more than 2 layers thick with tissues and organs. Body possesses 4 pairs of unjointed claw-bearing legs. Sexes separate. It has no circulatory and respiratory organs. Phylum Tardigrada has 2 classification. They are class Heterotardigrada and class Tardigrada. These are the picture of class Heterotardigrada at class Tardigrada. What will you notice in this picture? Is there any difference between the 2 classes of phylum Tardigrada? Okay, very good. The class of Heterotardigrada is characterized by the presence of antenna, called lateral cirri. And the class Tardigrada is lack of lateral cirri. Let us know more about the class Heterotardigrada and class Tardigrada. I have here another pictures of class Heterotardigrada. Aside from having lateral cirri of phylum Heterotardigrada, what will you observe in their body? All of your answer are correct. Class Heterotardigrada includes tardigrades or water bears that have cephalic appendages and legs with 4 separate but similar digits or claws on each. 444 species have been described. Characteristics of class Heterotardigrada are: they are marine or terrestrial inhabit. Body armored. Cuticle thickened dorsally and divided into segmented plates. Sexes separate. It has no circulatory and respiratory organs. And these pictures are class Tardigrada. For you class, where was the class Tardigrada can be found? Okay. Tardigrada are class of tardigrada that are primarily found in freshwater bound. Some species have secondarily gained the ability to live in marine environments and others are in very dry environments. Characteristics of class Tardigrada are: body naked comprising of freshwater and terrestrial tardigrades. Cuticle thin, undivided dorsally. 3 excretory gland. Intestine and gonad open into common cloaca. So class, did you understand? Then what are the economic importance of phylum Tardigrada, class Heterotardigrada and class Tardigrada in our ecosystem? Yes, they can balance our ecosystem and also they can be used for the laboratory purposes. Now we will be having an activity. I have here an envelope containing cartolina, pentel pen and coloring materials inside. Each envelope has a small paper written on what you need to draw and explain it in front. I will group you into 3 groups. And kindly choose one representative to explain your work. Here's your rubrics. Read all together. Okay, this is the work of Group 1. They got phylum Tardigrada. They said that phylum Tardigrada tubular mouth is armed with stylets, which are used to pierce the plant cells, algae or small invertebrates on which the tardigrades feed, releasing the body fluids or cell contents. This is the work of Group 2. The class Heterotardigrada. They said that some orders of heterotardigrades are marine, others are terrestrial. But as for all tardigrades, all are aquatic in the sense that they must be surrounded by at least a film of moisture in order to be active, though they can survive in a dormant state if the habitat dries out. And last, the class Tardigrada coming from the Group 3. They said that the mouth of this predator has a wide opening, so the animal can eat rotifers and larger protists. All of you are correct. And this is your scores. Group 1 got 23 scores out of 25. Group 2 got 21 scores. And Group 3 got 22 scores. Very good, class. To generalize our topic for today, I have here 2 unfinished sentences. All you need to do is complete these sentences. I learned that. I discovered that. For evaluation class, you need to give at least 3 characteristics of phylum Tardigrada, class Heterotardigrada, class Tardigrada, and their economic importance. And these is your answer. Here's your assignment. Number 1, study the phylum Pogonifera. And 2, what are the classification of phylum Pogonifera? References: General Zoology Book, page 445 up to 456. References: General Zoology Book, page 445 up to 456.